Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fit and fine. Okay, let's start today's session with a new activity. It's the density and flotation. Here we have different objects and three liquids. The first one is the water and the second one is mustard oil and the third one is kerosene oil. Don't mind, actually amount is very less. Actually मेरे घर पर इतना ही available था. Okay, it's okay. Now see the objects which we have taken. The first one is the thermocol and the second one is the wax and the third one is keys are there and stones, pebbles, then iron nail, and these are the plastic balls and plastic caps, feather, and next these are hair and paper beds, leaves, and piece of wood. Okay, now let's check one by one. The first we are taking thermocol. Now see, it is floating in the water as well as in the mustard oil and as well as in the kerosene. It means these are lighter than these all liquids. This thermocol piece was lighter than these liquids, that's why it is floating. And next we are putting here wax. Now wax also, it floats. It means you can check it. It means this is also lighter than these all liquids. Now see the next one, nail. Yeah, it sinks. Now see, this is also sinking, and in third one also it sinks. It means it is heavier than the liquids. Now key also it sinks. Yes, now see in all three liquids it's sinking. It means it is also heavier than the liquid. Now see the next one. Next we are taking pebbles. These are also heavier. These all pebbles, these are heavier than the liquid, that's why these are also sinking. Now see the wooden piece. This is the wood piece floating. It means this is lighter than the liquid. And now see the leaves. These leaves are also floating. It means these leaves are also lighter than all these three liquids. Now check the paper bits. Now see, paper bits in water, obviously floating, and second one also floating. It means these are lighter than the water and mustard oil. Now we will check it with the kerosene. Oh, now see in kerosene what is happening. These are sinking. It means the weight of the paper is more than the kerosene. It means after that I will tell you about the density. If now see the next one. Next is caps. These are the bottle caps. These are also floating. It means these are also light in weight in comparison to these liquids. Now these are plastic balls floating. In this also it is floating. In first one also it is floating. So these are also lighter. Now we will check hair. Now see here. Now we will dip it in first one. First is water. Now you can see it is floating, right? Okay, now we will check it in mustard oil. In mustard oil also, now we have to make the space for it. Now it is, yes, floating. Okay, this is again floating in mustard oil. Now we will check it with the kerosene. Now the amount is too much less है ना, ऑब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा हो गए तो थोड़ा स्पेस बना लेते हैं इसमें भी. Now see, yes, okay, I think this is sinking. Now एक्चुअली ये ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, जरा इनको कम कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्पेस बनेगा so that we can see clearly कि क्या हुआ, जो अभी अभी हमने इसमें हेयर डाला है उसके साथ क्या हुआ. ओके, नाउ सी, आई थिंक, ओके, बाद में चेक करते हैं, पहले इसको देख लेते हैं. नाउ वी आर पुटिंग in the first we have already introduced feather which is floating. Now this is the piece of feather, this is also floating. Now see the third one, it is also, yes, it is also floating. Okay, now see, we have introduced all the materials. Okay, now the question is that what decides whether an object will float or sink in liquid? Then the answer is density. It's density which decides that object will sink or float, right? And what's the density? Density of a substance is defined as mass per unit volume, right? A substance with a lower density that will float on that liquid, and the substance with a higher density than the liquid sinks to the bottom. Okay, I hope you got it. Thanks for watching me.